Hi ABSS user, now we are going to demo the sales portion. For example, this is how we usually create a sales record using a user product. Basically, I'm going to choose the customer that I'm going to use. Over here, I will use the item layout. OK. After that, I will set the LHDN terms to 30 days. For the billing frequency, maybe I want to choose monthly. So I'll choose from the 1st of October until the end of October. Then, I will sell 1 unit of a laptop. The price is probably $2,500. And after that, I'll follow up with the Samsung tablet. The price for the Samsung tablet will be 1399 ringgit. As you can see, all the information is pre-filled based on what we have set up in the item profile, because this is using the item layout. What I'm going to do next is note that I actually collected 827.8 ringgit from the customer. And this payment is via check. After that, the payment will go to a specific bank account. With that information entered, the next step is to click the record button. At this point, the system will ask me, invoice recorded. Do you want to send this invoice to the E-Invoice service? I'll say yes. Then, when I click send, the system talks to the server, and our intermediary at Century Software will communicate with the LHDN E-Invoice service. Now, the message shows that the document was successfully sent to LHDN. So, as usual, let's take a look at the original entry. These are the 2 items that were originally entered. Now let's check the LHDN My Invoice portal and go to Documents. As you can see, document number 10 has come in. Let's click on it and take a look. The invoice is validated. This is an RM transaction, so there's no exchange rate. On the left-hand side is the user's company information, which is Cookie E10 Premier. And on the right-hand side is the customer profile, which was maintained in the contact card. Then, we see the 2 products that were entered in the item line. Let's take a closer look. 1 quantity, 2 quantities. The prices, 1,399 and 2,500, respectively. Then, the tax, 10% of 2,500 is 250, and 10% of 2,798 is 279.8. The total tax is 529.8. Now, let's move the mouse over this icon, and you will see the 529.8 sales tax. Following that, we see the information about the prepayment collected from the customer, which was 827.80 ringgit. Take note that LHDN doesn't track the balance, So that's why you see 5827.80. This document is signed by Century Software. Followed by more details. Here, we can see the billing frequency that was entered, along with the start and end dates. The payment method was check, and we can see the payment was made to this bank account under the 30-day terms. The prepayment date and reference number match the order. And the source document number and date/time match as well. The prepayment amount is the same as what we added earlier. All of this information is shown here. Now, one more thing, if you go to view E-Invoice detail, you can scan the QR code to see the information from your mobile device. Click to see Preview in ABSS Connect as well. After clicking that, the system will show you the PDF preview, showing the invoice with all the captured information. You might have a question: can I trace this back on ABSS Connect Web later? The answer is yes. All you need to do is go to the ABSS Connect Web. This is our staging environment, but in real life, you would go to ABSS website. Over there, in the LHDN documents, you will be able to trace back the customer details. One good thing is that you can even send this e-invoice to the buyer because the email address was maintained. So now, let's do a test. I'll click Send now, and the system will start compiling the information. You'll see the email was sent successfully. Now, I'm going to copy the email address and go to your inbox to prove that we did send something to the customer. You will see that the same information was shared with the customer. Okay, so that's the feature from ABSS Connect. You can also trace back self-billed invoices here. That's all for the sales invoice portion. Thank you.